Raindrops are falling on my head while I'm lying in the bed. I'd say it's raining, my friends. Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you say it's raining? How's the weather in your neck of the woods? How's the weather in your neck of the woods? Let me zoom in right here and give everybody a little. Sorry about the noise in the background. Riley Mae's blasting puppy dogs or something. I'd say it's a little bit rainy. Now let's go right up here to the bird feeders. The rain has arrived. I was going to drill stakes out today and record it, maybe to stop later on. What do you think, my friends? You think it'll stop later on? Sorry about moving everybody around. I'm trying to control this front door. It's raining. As we can see, the mighty rain has arrived. Rain has come to my neck of the woods. Trying not to get my $2,300 camera wet. Let's do a little zoom. It's coming down pretty steady and pretty hard right now. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? Go out to my car. They go reviews and vlogs. That's what I'm talking about. That's what the sky looks like. We had some high wind, a tornado watch earlier. There we have it, my friends. Rainy day in my neck of the woods. Give me a thumbs up, share my videos, help me to grow right here on the Big O Show. Leave those comments. It's another warm day. I don't have my hat on. It's another warm day. Living in the moment. We have had a lot of high winds over the last 3 hours. I don't know if I got any water on my lens yet or not. I don't think I do. And I can zoom out before I leave and show you what I'm talking about, my friends. The wind has been blowing, 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 blowing. See there? Bring her back in. Guess what, my friends? I will see you all on down the road. You see the interstate, it's kind of foggy looking that way. It's a mile away. Leave those comments. Tell me how the weather is in your neck of the woods. I love everybody. Be happy, pause, and focus. Live in the moment, but plan for the future. Life is what we make it, my friends. Life's about choices. Try to do the right thing. Try to stay away from negative people. And I will see you all on down the road. Like the story goes, on down the road.